वसुतं देवं
वसुदेवसुतं देवं
कंसचाणूरमर्दनं
कंसचाणूरमर्दनं
देवकी परमानन्दं
देवकी परमानन्दं
कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं
कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं
नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे
नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे
पुलारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र
पुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र
येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्ण
येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्ण
प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमया प्रदीपः
प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयप्रदीपः
नमो नमः. Good morning and good afternoon from wherever you are joining. We have started on the first chapter of Bhagavad Gita. We had covered from second chapter till 18th, and the leftover first chapter, we are coming back to the first chapter. Yesterday, and we celebrated Sri Ramanavami. Punarvasu Nakshatra coincided with the Punarvasu Nakshatra. Yesterday I spoke about inspirations from Valmiki Ramayana, what the festival means. It is not just a feasting, what the inspiration, what is Sri Rama's message. What is the learning from great characters of Ramayana? What are the characters we can imbibe to enrich our lives? Yesterday I spoke about that one. And in Brahma Vaivarta Purana, where this piece is missing in Valmiki Ramayana, it talks about in Aranya Kanda. In Aranya Kanda, in the before in the Sri Rama, before Sita was taken away, before that he approached Sri Rama in privately, in secretly he approached, and he told him, now you have come here to the play of the game of having lost Sita, and like an ordinary person you go out in search of Sita. It is your play, and your aim is to annihilate Ravana, wicked person. You use this one as a dramatic, you are doing that one, and I want to